Junkyard? Ooh, I shouldn't say it, huh? He's gonna do a crazy hacker play. Okay, okay. I'm gonna use Thrasher. I'm gonna use Thrasher. Wait, how do you use this character though? Like actually,
Use your drone to locate a bomb.
I don't know how to use this character. I don't know how to use any of the characters on attack. Other than Jackal, but I don't have Jackal. If I had Jackal, I'd use him every time. Trust me. Got it. Heard that. I proceed to go upstairs whenever he said he's not.
Why?
Basement.
10 seconds.
We gotta spot it though, and spot him. He's probably using Doc. I'm gonna be honest.
Drone has located a bomb.
Bro, stop copying me.
Located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse
What
it.
is this other scope I have? Oh. Oh! Oh! That is oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. YN!
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful.
That's great. This went way more promising than I thought it would. Did I buy Blitz? Wingan gule gule wingan mata wingan. You have that character, Jaden?
We need to locate a bomb.
I didn't know you had Fenrir. Oh. Be accurate. What if that was the fake guy? You're goated at the game.
Drone has located a bomb.
Oh, he's using the same. I thought he used Doc this time. If we do end up like smoking him though, then we give him his map. It's only fair.
Insertion in 5
Ooh.
seconds. Proceed to bomb location and defuse
I'm
it.
not being confident. I'm very unconfident. I'm just saying that to at least uplift your spirit.
Oh, redo it. Just redo it.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful.
Bro, we're cooking, bro. We gotta I haven't even done anything. Bro was messing with Tinkerbell forever.
Who won?
Wingang guli guli wingang wanta wingang go wingang go wingang guli guli wingang wanta go. Who the freak is that guy? Who the freak is that guy? No, I just say we do this. This is better. This is good, yeah.
Your Drone has found a bomb.
I like how we're calling him an idiot, but he's literally 1v3ing. He's literally 1v3ing and we're calling him an idiot. How do I go upstairs?
Ten seconds. Insertion in 5 seconds. You found a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Bro's walking on water. That's so crazy. Oh, that's so cold.
Lights on.
Oh, I fell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Bomb diffusion initiated. Protect the diffuser.
If only I didn't die. that call out is crazy.
Friendly, last operator standing.
Bro, where's it at, man?
The diffuser has been disabled. Mission is a failure.
There's no way. I died. I'm sorry, guys. That would have been
Oh,
our
that's
three,
so
our
cool.
3-0, you know. But you know,
Right,
this play's about to be
battling the
crazy,
boss.
bro. Never gonna see this coming. Bro, just as a banner. You were close.
Secure the area. Keep the bombs protected.
No. No. Wait, I could just wait. Getting him low is the best thing ever, right?
Okay. I'll fight the fight.
Camera ready to activate.
Device deployed. Doorway trapped. Stay clear of blast zone.
10 seconds.
Jammer.
That's
EDD mounted.
5 seconds to insertion.
I don't have any impact grenades. I only have
Has
the
yet
barbed
to locate a
wire.
bomb.
Stand clear. That will slow them.
Alright. Alright. I got you.
Jammer deployed.
I'm not very.
Advised, Op 4 has located a bomb.
Damn! time, bro. Does anybody have heals?
Op 4 eliminated.
Oh.
Mission successful.
Where was he? Oh.
Alright, that's it.
Baby bro isn't that good. I'm just kidding.
Does anybody have a med kit? Get med kit.
So wait, Doc can bring people back to life, right? Oh, it's Raps. GG's. You lost, Jaden. GG's. Jaden's his main. It's Raps. GG's. Dude.
Keep an eye on door.
Are we doing the pit or are you guys?
New feed active.
Ambush set. Stay clear.
Be advised, a bomb location has been compromised. 10 seconds left.
Stay clear of blast zone.
5 seconds and counting.
EDD primed. Stand clear.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Let them come.
Bro, you know this was my favorite game there.
New camera feed up and running.
Dude, I played all of them. No, the skin I'm wearing. The skin I'm wearing. Have you ever played this? I forgot what. Yes, bro.
I got A's, guys. I'm a cooking
Bro,
A,
it's
bro.
my favorite. I played all of them. I played all of them. All of the story modes, bro. They're so good.
I did. Wait, can drones like activate my Capcan shot? Who knows on this person? Bro! He's at B, he's at B. He's doing it.
He said 7 foot.
There's no cam in.
Friendly victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Okay, we'll do his map. Like fair. Just know he's gonna do Doc every time, probably. Not the main Doc. And if he doesn't, it's just because I called him out. So it's perfect either way.
Bro, honestly,
Mm.
if you were right next to Jack, I would see a picture.
Blitz and Clyde. Are you been?
I want to see you right next to Jack.
Are you serious? Top Cannon Lion. Yuck. Can't even use my main. Unfortunate. Good thing I'm just gonna buy another chopper real quick.
No, Jack's like 7.
Oh yeah, we really
The
milli
other
bopped him,
guy
bro.
is 7.
Bro didn't even get a round. Or no, he did, but it was a pity round because I fell on purpose.
Damn! Fair?
Yeah. Fell on purpose. It was a pity round.
We need to locate a bomb. Be advised your drone has located a bomb.
Alright. He'll never find me.
10 seconds to go. Insertion in 5 seconds. Proceed to bomb location and defuse it.
You don't know where my drone is, bro. It's nowhere near there. Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody had a whole yeah, mine goes to that.
You cut out. All I heard was be like that, bro.
Ain't no way you're about to use a bow on me, bro. Jay. You're playing like the victims.
So wait,
play
how
in the
does
match.
how does my character work?
Loading ammo.
Oh.
Reloading.
You have dropped the diffuser.
Cluster charge.
That's why he wanted this map.
Cluster charge going live.
Oh
Op
my
4
god.
eliminated.
Bro just hit him in the knee and he was dead. I don't like how vulnerable IQ is whenever I use it.
You need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
You're not gonna find my spot this time, Aiden. I don't have mon thing. If I did, I would use him though. No, I don't. I promise you I don't. Yeah, he might be basement. Yeah, please basement.
Drone has located a bomb. 10 seconds to insertion. 5 seconds before insertion. You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
No, there was an open spot right there.
Sometimes you gotta just make the best drone spot.
No way he's spending all the damage.
Where's he at? Bro, Omni.
I told you those.
Never mind.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful.
But- so wait, you constantly get healed? How does that work? No, I'm saying the heal that we had. Like, well, how did that work? Hi, Mr. Rain.